Welcome back. In this video we want to continue with our set methods. So let's look at other ways that we can use set method. We can also find the union of two sets. So if we have set A and set B, we can find the union of it by doing set A dot union, then we put set B here, and then if we run this, we are getting the union of set A and set B. We can also find the intersection of set A and set B. So we can say set A dot intersection of set B, and then if we run this, we are getting their intersection. That is the elements that are in both set A and set B. We also have something called intersection update. Let's look at what that will do for us. So we have set A dot intersection update. Now this intersection update a set with the intersection of itself and the other. So this is going to print set A, but set A will be the intersection of set A and set B. So if we run this, we are getting none because this method does not return a value. So we need to copy or cut this, then we bring it up here, and if we paste this and then now we print set A, let's see what set A has changed into. Set A is now the intersection of set A and set B because we have updated set A with the intersection of set A and set B. So that is what the intersection update does. We can also check the symmetric difference. Okay, so let's see what that will give us, and then if we print set B, we are getting 1 3 5 7 8 9 10. What does this symmetric difference do? If we check the documentary, we are seeing that return the symmetric difference of two sets. That is all elements that are in exactly one of the sets. Okay, so it removes the intersection and then print, because we see 1 here but 1 is not here. We see 3 here, 3 is not here. So it is printing the unique element in both sets. We can also check if one set is a subset of the other or a superset of the other. So if we do a subset, then we put set B here. It will give us the Boolean value whether set A is a subset of set B. So set A is not a subset of set B, so we are getting false. That is, we are checking whether every element in set A is in set B, or we got set A from set B. So that is what we are checking. We can also check whether set A is a superset. All right, and then if we print this, we will get false. We can also check if the two sets are disjoint, and then if we print this, we get false because they are joint. All right, they have some intersection. Okay, so these are some of the other methods that we can use set for. We are going to use set to build some nice programs. Okay, so we need to build a strong foundation. Soon after we learn some few things, we will use these data types that we have learned to do some greater things. So we have one last data type to go, that is the dict data type or dictionary. We'll look at that in the next video. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video.